guys, it's Ria. So welcome back to another videos. Today we are here in Dubai Mall, and also Dubai Mall is the world's biggest mall. So we are in the Zabil section of the Dubai Mall, and also there is another section which you need to cross by a bridge, and in the bridge there's lots of cool stuff. So, and why we are here in Dubai Mall is because there is a restaurant. It's called Baik. So we are going to try the food in Baik. And also guys, this is the amazing view from the bridge, and look at this teddy bear in the bridge. So cool. I don't know what this is. And also there's a few pipes which is kind of cool, where some kids can play and take pictures. It's so cool. And this go-kart, it's so cool. I wish I had one. So guys, we have crossed the bridge and we are on our way to Albi. And on our way we found this cool plane structure of the plane. It's so cool. And in Dubai Mall there's an underwater zoo, which is so cool. You guys have to go there. You can also see sharks and fishes, and also some divers in the underwater zoo. And when we got there, the line for Albic was so big. Guys, I would suggest you guys to come here early, because when we got there, the line was so long. It almost took us 1 hour, or maybe more than 1 hour to reach the Albic. So it took us a lot of time, but when we got there, the food was delicious. So you guys should go there and try Albic. And we ate the food. It was so good. In our meal we bought 10 chicken nuggets and fries. And there's also corn and burger. You can also buy other stuff, but we bought the 10 chicken nuggets and fries. It was amazing. Okay guys, so now we were going to taste the food. So we have a bun. We also got buns and a few sauces. And the quantity of this is so big. It is so tasty as well. We have 10 chicken nuggets and fries and a bun. And also you get some sauces, ketchup and mayonnaise. When I was eating it, it was delicious. I loved it. I want to come back again. You guys also can go there and enjoy the food. It is so tasty. And also we got a good view of the Burj Khalifa while eating our food. It was so nice.